Morning folks, welcome back to the channel. Back on the road today, doing Normanby, St Clair and Dunedin at the moment. A 2018 Designline built Volvo B7R, fleet number 5055, one of the newer vehicles. But I'll go into a little bit of filming today. I'm on a Mosgiel run later on too, which is out over the motorway. Not sure if I'll film that one yet or not, but we'll get a bit of footage of this run shortly, which you may have seen on some of my previous videos. But again, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate the support for the channel, and enjoy the footage. Remember to click like and to subscribe if you haven't already, if you're enjoying the content so far. Thanks, talk to you soon, cheers. How we going, team? Just getting towards the end of my day now. I'm out of Mosgiel, just out of Dunedin City. Been pretty busy, so just a quick g'day and show you that I'm in another bus again today. I'm in the Designline Olymbus 2016. '41 seated. So just a quick look around the bus here. You might have seen this in one of my earlier videos, but I've been in the Volvo B7 earlier, now the Designline Olymbus. So quick change of buses, but look, that's it for me today, guys. It's all go today, so I'm going to say see you later. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.